Looking for an honest review of the MCHOSE X75 V2 wireless mechanical keyboard volume knob, Tri-Mode BT5.0/2.4G, Review 2026. Let's dive in. The MCHOSE X75 V2 wireless mechanical keyboard represents a significant step forward in the realm of gaming and productivity keyboards. With its tri-mode connectivity, hot-swappable switches, and premium build quality, this keyboard is designed to meet the needs of gamers, streamers, and professionals alike. Combining elegant retro white aesthetics with high-end functionality, the X75 V2 delivers a superior typing experience and customizable features that appeal to enthusiasts of mechanical keyboards. The X75 V2 is loaded with features that make it stand out in the crowded mechanical keyboard market. One of the most notable aspects is its tri-mode connectivity, which allows users to seamlessly switch between Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C connections. This versatility ensures compatibility with PCs, tablets, PlayStation, and Xbox consoles, making it a true cross-platform keyboard. The keyboard is equipped with a premium linear switch mechanism, delivering a creamy, smooth keystroke ideal for both gaming and prolonged typing sessions. The hot-swappable design allows users to replace or customize switches without soldering, giving enthusiasts the freedom to create a tailored typing experience. Additionally, the built-in volume knob provides precise audio control without leaving your game or work session. RGB lighting is another highlight of the X75 V2. With customizable zones and dynamic lighting effects, users can sync the keyboard's visuals with their setup. Thanks for watching. Check the link in description for MCHOSE X75 V2 wireless mechanical keyboard volume knob, Tri-Mode BT5.0/2.4G, Review 2026.